In this lesson, we will solve a trigonometric quadratic by turning it into an ordinary quadratic in sine x. Here is the problem on the interval from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Step 1. Treat it as a quadratic in sine x. Let u equal sine x, then rewrite the equation. Step 2. Solve the quadratic. Compute the discriminant. Delta equals -3 squared minus 4 times 2 times 1, which is 9 minus 8 equals 1. Therefore, u equals 3 plus or minus 1 over 4. So the two values are u equals 1 and u equals 1/2. You can also see this instantly by factoring 2u minus 1 times u minus 1 equals 0. Step 3. Back substitute u equals sine x. We get sine x equals 1 or sine x equals 1/2. Step 4. Solve each equation on the interval from 0 to 360 degrees. For sine x equals 1, the angle on the unit circle with a topmost y value is 90 degrees only. For sine x equals 1/2, sine is positive in quadrants 1 and 2. The reference angle is 30 degrees, so the angles are 30 degrees and 150 degrees. Step 5. Collect all solutions in the interval. Therefore, x equals 30 degrees, 90 degrees, and 150 degrees.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.